I'm up in the mountains today in Mexico, just outside of Mexico City, not far, about 150 kilometers around the area of Toluca near Mexico City. I'm heading up into the pines to a little place called Paricutin. It's an interesting little footnote in Mexican history. I think you'll find it interesting too, but I got to stop at a shop first and get the shifter fixed. The shifter's fallen off the bloody bike and the shifting's getting a little awkward, and where I'm going, it's a little bit rough roads and curvy mountain roads and a lot of clutch action and shifting going on, so I gotta get this shifter sorted out, and then we're gonna head up in Paricutin. Come on, check it out, it's a cool place.
This little shop in Mexico somewhere. There's a VN 800, I think. I think it needs an air filter. It's for sale. I don't know how much. It says for sale though. Si vendo esta Kawasaki?
Sí, también está también.
Ajá. For the Kawasaki.
Sí.
Yeah, it's got a big hole in it. Air filter. It's got a little oil leaking down everywhere. Running hot. Bueno. Muchos motos, huh?
Sí. Ya se la acabo de comprar.
There's a good bike, 1100. 1100, 650, not sure. Yamaha. Rago. 750, 1100 Rago. Hola. ¿Cómo está?
Bien.
Bien. Hola. ¿Cuántas fotografías?
Sí.
Sí. Gracias.
Dame una foto, vato.
Sí. Gracias por el trabajo. Well, this is it. This is the road that you can't drive down on a motorbike, apparently. Unless you're me. This used to be the village. Up here, it's like there's Germans camping down there. I see a big overlander truck. And there's a steeple. Look at the old church up there. Go check it out. So there's the volcano. It's called Paricutin. The volcano, Paricutin. It wasn't there until 1942. Kind of an interesting story. There's this church here, and that's all that's left of the town. It's all buried, as you can see, in the lava. And the story is that in 1942 there was a farmer that had a field out here, and one day it came out and it was smoking in the field, just wisps of smoke. It smelled like sulfur, and then within a very short period of time it started building up. There was a volcano forming, and it continued to form until it swallowed all of his farm, and then it took out the whole town too. There was a town around here that's now under the lava, and all that's left is this church, this iglesia. And it's kind of interesting. It's really strange, surreal thing seeing this church out in the middle of the lava field. And it continued to grow until it swallowed about 440 odd square kilometers of territory. So kind of interesting. This is along a fault line. It goes all the way up to Alaska, through California, goes up through Yellowstone. There's seismic activity all along this fault line, all the way down to South America and into the Aleutian Islands, and this is one example of it. So within a very short time it swallowed the whole town. Kind of interesting story. Just thought I'd show you. I'm up here anyway. I'm gonna go have a look. Gonna go have a look at this church here. It's kind of cool, eh? There's the volcano up there. Paricutin, it's called. You gotta pronounce it right, otherwise they don't understand you. Man, stuff going. These big gaping holes everywhere where you could easily fall into and bust your leg. You can see the lava came and glued itself right to the wall of the church. Look at that. Crazy, eh? There's a big hole down there. Looks like it goes into the basement. And over there too. But I'm a little too big for that. I'd probably get stuck. Man, it's amazing. The walls actually stop the lava flow. This is the other end of the church. This used to be the altar. People still come here and deliver flowers and that sort of thing. Sacred place, I guess. And just lava going right up to the altar. How crazy is that? The old KZ took me all the way down here. What an awesome little bike. Quite a hike up here. Well worth it though. Very cool. Paricutin, it's called. Hola.
Hola.
Man, this place is busy. So busy. But beautiful. Nice hotels. Look at that hotel there. Hotel down the road. Hotel there with all kinds of shops, eateries. Yeah, man. This place is like a little maze in there. Lose yourself in there. That's nice. Oh, colonial town, Paricutin, I think it's called. Light going on.